This is John with ATI. And right here with this Trident pack of gums is just one of my essentials when it comes here. So what I do is that I leave this in my car. And anytime that anybody asks me for a gum, but I always keep this hidden because I know that we're going to start asking. But anytime that I'm going to a place that I have to go to a meeting or I have to be social with other people, having one of these guys here laying around, it's always a game changer and a savior for me. Obviously, I'm always trying to take care of my dental hygiene, and you should always too. But there's always a moment that you having a gum like this will save your life. And you're going to have the peace of mind that you can talk to other people and you know that your breath is fresh and it smells nice. So the fact that having this guy here, the flavor, the convenience of just laying it around, it just does the job perfect. So this was John with ATI, and that was my point of view.